Sa ngalan ng Caring Integrated School, kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa Department of Information and Communications Technology Region 2 sa pagkakaloob sa aming paaralan ng Project Gov.net. Malaking tulong po sa aming kaguruan at mga mag-aaral na magkaroon ng libreng pa-Wi-Fi, lalo na sa regular na ugnayan at pag-access ng aralin ngayong in-person classes sa now normal. Maraming salamat po, DICT Region 2. God bless.
I'm Sunny Lopez, the station manager of the Philippine Broadcasting Service, Bureau of Broadcast Services, Radyo Pilipinas Tuguegarao. We are one of the various government agencies that benefited from this very laudable program of the government through the DICT, which is the free Wi-Fi for all and the Internet government network. At first, we were not supposed to be included in the list of agencies that would be given this project, but when we wrote them a letter that we should also be included, since we really need this service for our broadcast operations, masaya po tayo at in-action na naman po talaga kaagad yung letter request na ibinigay ko po sa DICT through Engineer Baliwan. Hindi lang yon, hindi lang nila in-install, kundi talagang every time we asked for help, kung nagkakaproblema po kami, agad-agad naman na may pumupunta po dito ng personnel ng DICT. Malaking tulong to sa amin kasi nga, all government offices, kailangan talaga nila to, but especially din sa amin sa broadcast, na kailangan din namin makaagapay sa technology. So, napakalaking tulong nito para magawa din namin yung aming mandate. Especially sa panahon ngayon na hindi na lamang audio ang kailangan ng mga listeners, they also wanted to have video. Kaya kailangan din na talaga namin pumasok sa social media, magkaroon ng live streaming. So, kailangan talaga natin ng stable na internet supply. Although, we have one subscription as a private, pero kailangan talaga din na nadagan na supply kasi hindi lamang sa broadcast, hindi yung mga administrative din ng kailangan. So, we are really very thankful sa DICT dito po sa service na naibigay sa amin. This is the free Wi-Fi for all. Lahat po ng personnel namin makakapag-access. And yung sa GovNet naman natin para sa aming mga computers needed for our administrative and technical matters or concerns or operations. So, sana ay mapalakas pa yung programang ito ng ating pamahalaan because this is really the way to go. Ito yung talagang kailangan natin puntahan. So, thank you again sa DICT.